a mess, cause you got me growing taller every day. We're giants in a little man's world. My heart is pumping up so big that it could burst. Been trying so hard not to let it show, but you...
Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Allie if you're new here, and I figured I would just vlog today because we're going to be doing some things. We're supposed to be going to the mall and stuff. Currently I'm just in the drive-thru for Starbucks. He fell asleep. I feel so bad. So last night my mom was brushing his teeth, and he's hates getting his teeth brushed. We have to like hold him down and stuff to brush his teeth. So she put him up on the dining room table and was holding him down to brush his teeth, and the dog like jumped up and scratched the side of his face. And he has like a pretty good scratch, so I feel super bad about that. But like I was saying, we were going to go to the mall today because I can start taking baths, and baths are like my favorite thing. So we're gonna go stock up on some bath bombs and bubble bath stuff at Lush, and then I don't know what else we have in store. Maybe we'll do a fire tonight. I'm hoping my mom will dye my hair tonight. I want to go lighter. I haven't dyed my hair in years, since like 2016 probably, so or 2015 maybe. So I'm hoping that I can get my hair dyed. Baby girl is finally almost at her birth weight. We were having some issues with weight because I don't produce enough. And so we were supplementing with formula. And we weren't supplementing enough. So she was born at 7 pounds 3 ounces. She dropped to, as I was saying, she was 7 pounds 3 ounces when she was born, and then she was 6 pounds 8 ounces when we left the hospital. And they let us go on the condition that we'd be supplementing, and we were supplementing. She went up to 6'10". By her appointment, that was 2 days after we were released, and then at her 2-week appointment, she went down to 6'8", 6'9". She went down to 6'9". So we ended up upping the supplementation and stuff. And now we took her to her weight check, which was like 3 days after her 2-week appointment, and she was 7 pounds 1 ounce. So super exciting and super happy. I know. So I do still breastfeed. I try to pump as well to try to increase supply. I drink like gallons of water. Increase protein content, eat some of the things that were listed as good for milk supply and stuff, and just really try to increase my milk supply so that eventually she can be breastfed exclusively. But I'm not going to be upset if she always has a supplement, or we end up switching entirely to formula or anything like that. So, yeah.